5 daily income businesses you can start with 30 to 50,000 naira or less. Think 30 to 50,000 naira can't start a real business? Think again. In this video, you'll discover 5 practical business ideas that need small capital but can bring daily cash flow and grow into something bigger. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home mom, or just serious about making money on a tight budget. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset TV, where we share simple, actionable money ideas for beginners. If that's your vibe, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Watch till the end. If idea number 1 isn't your thing, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5 might just be perfect for you. Number 1. Targeted food supply, pre-order model. Pick one food item people constantly need and make it your niche, e.g. sweet corn, palm oil, vegetables, fruit, dry meat, poultry, or goat meat shares. How it works. Start with pre-orders, pay before delivery. Use WhatsApp to collect orders. Buy from early morning or wholesale markets or trusted village suppliers. Deliver 1 to 2 days a week to your estate, street, office groups, or online contacts. Create a simple WhatsApp list or group. Who's ordering this week? Why it works? Food is perishable and repeat purchase by nature. Keep pricing fair, maintain quality, and you'll get steady reorders with minimal capital tied up. Trust me, this one is powerful. Number 2. Self-dispatch agent. No bike needed. Become a reliable on-call delivery person without owning a bike. 2 ways to do this. The DIY model. Use public transport or walking for nearby pickups and drop-offs, charge per delivery. Or the coordinator model. Plug into existing courier or ride-hailing couriers, you book and manage the delivery for small margins. Get clients. DM online vendors, fashion, hair, cosmetics, gadgets, food sellers. Many are frustrated with their current dispatch guys. Offer extras, same-day runs, basic warehousing or pickup point if safe, simple sorting for out-of-town vendors. Brand yourself as the dependable plug, fast updates, proof of delivery, and clear pricing. Number 3. Cleaning services, daily cash jobs, and retainers. 2 angles that work with tiny startup costs. Bucket, mop, gloves, detergents, often under 20,000 naira. Post-construction or move-in deep cleaning. Walk up to new builds or renovations, talk to site supervisors, offer a deal, and give a small finder's commission to contacts who bring you jobs. Home and office routine cleaning. Sell weekly plans, e.g. once a week. 5 clients paying monthly can beat 1 low fixed job. Upsell deep cleans and one-off blitz sessions. Deliver great work, ask for referrals, and post before and after pictures with permission. People love a good transformation photo. Number 4. Drop shipping. Zero inventory, pay first. Sell fast-moving items from wholesalers without holding stock. Wigs, hair, shoes, baby items, accessories, simple gadgets. Steps. Find reliable suppliers, local market or online. Post their items on your social media or status with your markup. Customer pays you first, you pay supplier, supplier ships, or you coordinate a courier. Keep your margin, e.g. buy 10,000, sell 15,000, you keep 5,000. Post daily, answer DMs fast, and focus on quality and honesty to keep chargebacks and complaints low. Number 5. Cook on demand bowls, soups, stews, or meals. If you cook well, this might be your gold mine. Offer pre-ordered food bowls, soups, stews, or potty rice. How to run it? Pick a lane, e.g. afan, egusi, banga, jollof, or grilled protein packs. Collect orders and payment upfront, delivery or pickup. Batch cook on specific days to save time and fuel. Package neatly, label portions, and share reheating and storage tips on status, IG, Facebook, or Telegram. Hygiene and consistency equals repeat buyers. Okay, that's it. So which idea will you try first? Drop it in the comments. I really want to know. And if you want more small budget business ideas and step-by-step guides, subscribe to Millionaire Mindset TV and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.